In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Roblox Store. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. So to access Roblox Store, it's pretty simple. Go over to create here, and this will take you to this creator page for Roblox. Now under this, you'll see we have a menu here, and under it we have Store. Go ahead and click on it. Now under this, here you can search for anything. You can see we have these categories for vehicle, structure, light, tech, and so many others. You can also scroll down and you can also find essentials, and the list is quite long. So identify anything you want to use for your creation, and then to get the model, go ahead and click on get model to use it. So apart from these models, you can also access plugins, audio fonts, decals, mesh pads, videos, as well as saved items. So that's how you can access Roblox Store by following these simple steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.